Good morning, on and all present here. I'm Nandini D, working as an assistant professor in SNS College of Technology at the Department of Computer Science and Technology. Today, we are going to see a topic on what is ethical consideration and social impacts in generative AI. What is ethical Gen AI? So, ethics is nothing but it is a branch of philosophy. It deals with the morality. That means which is right or wrong, which is good or bad, which is fair or unfair. It is all about how we should act and why we should act. Rather than this, it is also a practice of designing AI which is fair, transparent, accountable, and responsible of human beings. This is known as an ethical AI. So, there are some generative AI examples for ethical theories. There are three domain ethical theories has been followed in Gen AI. First one is deontology, which is always follows the rules or duties even if the outcome is not perfect. Second one is utilitarianism. That means choose the action that creates the great good for the greatest number of people. Next one is virtue ethics. This virtue ethics is nothing but it is focusing on how to become a good person by cultivating a moral characters and habits. These are the three ethical common theories. So, an example for each three is being shown. First one is deontology example. If a doctor always tells the patients the truth about their diagnosis, that means AI doctor, even it is might cause distress because honesty is a moral duty for this deontology. So, AI must tell the truth because lying is always wrong. So, second one is utilitarianism example. A city uses a traffic per prediction AI to found the car routes. So, even if the drivers are delayed, it shows because it reduces the congestion for the most people. A maximum benefit if even if a few are inconvenient. So third one is a virtual ethical example. That means developer design a chatbot to show an empathy and a kindness which aimed to build some system that reflects the human virtualities, built AI that helps people become better. It also acts as a comparatively good. This is an common ethical theory. So what this common ethical theory says is do the right thing, don't violate people's rights. Deontology perspective. Decision rational, this and all it been saying. Then utilitarianism perspective is do whatever leads to the greatest good for the greatest number. Third one is virtual ethical perspective is what would and just and compassion person do. What is artificial intelligence? So first of all, AI is a field of computer science that mainly focuses on creating a system, human interventions like learning, responsible problem solving, how we can understand the language or recognize the pattern. This AI is of two types. One is symbolic AI, another one is machine learning AI. So this symbolic AI sells the user rule and the machine learning AI sells the user data. So first of all, we are going to see what does symbolic AI. It is a subfield of AI that uses human written rules and logics to represent the knowledge and make decisions. So machine learning is subfield of AI where symbols learn patterns from data instead of being programmed. So it improves automatically through experiences. Next one is scenario behind this symbolic and machine learning is how to teach AI system to recognize birds. It is a scenario. With the help of symbolic AI example, it has a rule. If it has wings and feathers, then it is a AI. Then it is a bird. It is a rule of systematic AI. But machine learning example shows that the system, thousands of images of a birds have been learned to recognize. At the last, it tells the image of a correct image of a bird. So AI, symbolic AI subfields. There are some subfields in symbolic AI. Expert system, automated reasoning, ontology engineering, symbolic planning and problem solving are some of the subfields of symbolic AI. Some of the subfields of machine learning AI: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, deep learning, reinforcement learning. Next one is Gen AI considerations. This Gen AI is considered as an authenticity and disclosure, consent and copyright respect, misinformative prevention, responsibility and cultural sensitivity, human oversight and creative uses. So for the above overall explanation, a mind map has been given here. Thank you so much for the video.